My name is Mikkel, and this is the Beat Bringer. The Beat Bringer is basically about freedom and music. We like to skate, we like festivals, and we like to explore the city. But how can you do that with music on your back? The answer is the Beat Bringer. We began the design process 2 years ago and took the test to the streets. People are crazy about the Beat Bringer. The Beat Bringer is a truly portable speaker backpack. It's made of an impact-resistant hard shell and aluminium and stainless steel hardware, and it only weighs 6 kilograms. As for the sound performance, we've got 2 woofers, dome tweeters, and a blasting level volume of above 110 decibels. The Beat Bringer uses Bluetooth for wireless streaming from your phone and other devices. It simply all connects. And it sounds like this. The Beat Bringer is very easy to use. We've got the signal knob, the battery indicator, and the master volume. Battery time is about 15 hours. It can be replaced and recharged anywhere at any time. If you fancy the Beat Bringer, please support us. We are a couple of young engineers who like to party and move around with music on our backs. Why not bring it all together? The Beat Bringer is made with love from all of us to all of you who is crazy enough to bring it.
Chip. Chip is my robot dog. When I wear my smart band, Chip and I are connected. Hey Chip, come here. He learns what I like, so that no Chip is like my Chip. Good boy. Chip likes to explore, but loves to play even more. Go fetch, Chip. Playing all day takes a lot of energy, but Chip recharges himself. And the first thing he does when he wakes up is find me, of course. There's no Chip like my Chip.
The future is here, and with it, robots. But building your own robot can be overwhelming and unintuitive. Not anymore. These are the guys from Zero UI. Their dream is to make robotics easy and fun for everyone. Their team created the Zyro, the world's first hand gesture controlled robotics kit for everyone. Zyro consists of 3 parts: the motorized modules, the smart glove, and the smartphone app. Zyro's modular design enables free-form robotics construction, enabling you to build virtually anything. Modules can be animated in a hinge or 360-degree rotational movement. Pair your glove to the modules with the smartphone app and bring your robot to life. Whether you're a robotics enthusiast, an aspiring superhero, evil genius in training, or someone looking to expand their creativity, Zyro is for you. Zyro is for all ages and all genders. There's no limitations. You can design and build it from scratch or use a pre-made starter kit. Design, build, rebuild. Zyro can be used over and over again, making new and different robots each time with the same modules. Learning should be fun and engaging. Unleash your creativity and be at the forefront of robotic technology with Zyro. Back us today and receive an exclusive Indiegogo discount on your kit. Nature. Get the beauty of an aquarium without the maintenance. The no-hassle design is stress-free, compact, and easy to use. Just fill it with water, plug it in, and enjoy. Never change the filters. Ever. The EcoCube's unique aquaponics filter uses plants to filter the water. Fish create waste that fertilize the plant, and as the plant grows larger, the aquarium gets even cleaner. It's the same way nature cleans our rivers, lakes, and oceans. This is the best low-maintenance ecosystem ever, and it's affordable. Other ecosystems can cost hundreds of dollars to set up and maintain. The EcoCube C has everything you need, and it's easy to set up. Enjoy it in your home, your office, your school, anywhere. It's designed for professionals, teachers, children, everyone. Get the same quality product with a remote control. Control your EcoCube from across the room. Enjoy customizable colors and dynamic weather effects like cloud cover, lightning, daily scheduling, and more. Back this product now. Share it with friends and family. Join our movement to educate the world about aquaponics and promote sustainability by getting an EcoCube into every home. Contribute just $1 or pre-order the EcoCube to receive a guide on how to grow your own food at home with aquaponics. Get yours today.